Hello everyone, my name is Peter from ScreenProtector or from Inte.Team. Guys, and from the Right to Repair. So today, because in 1 hour time of release of this video will be a long video for 1 hour, how I was struggling with one laptop, which I couldn't do in a regular way. I had to do in the other way because of the damage it had, yes? So I went the longer way to do that process. I want to compensate and I want to do this, okay? So this PS4 Slim has no post on the screen. So I did check and it did power on at bookRepairOnline.co.uk. I've got it booked in as a no power, so that means it shouldn't even have a blue light, yes, but I would say that's BLOD, yes, blue light of death. So let me plug this in, plug in the power. So let's do like this. Let's do the power. Okay, and let's press the magic button. I've got a blue light. Okay, and it's a constant blue light. Okay, constant blue light, but energy power saving mode, and that's a known good HDMI cable. Okay, so this is now black, completely black. It doesn't go into the power on mode or anything. Again, power on. Don't know if you can see, probably you can't. I don't believe you can see this light, or you cannot, or you can. So it is on and it's off, okay? So before it was like intermittent fault. Okay, now it's, I mean, it did power on, it didn't boot up, okay? So I'll remove the case, and before I'll do anything, okay, I'll start off the hard drive, and first what I'm gonna do is remove the hard drive, because I could press and hold for 5 seconds power button and see, you know, if that will get me into the recovery mode. But I know with them, actually we can, you know, like whatever. Yes, because that's not a lot of work, and why not? Plug it in, okay, and press and hold for 5 seconds. Is it on? Ah, it's not on, because of course I did disconnect power cable, okay. Press and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. Nothing. Is it? Yeah. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't have a second beep. No second beep. Okay, as there is no second beep and it's just going to the off mode, there is some issue with the power. Okay, so if there is no boot sequence, doesn't go properly. So regular fault, if that would be a regular fault, like with a hard drive or something, that would power on, that would be blue light of death, but the cycle of boot would be failed, yes. So that means you would have the power on, whereas if you don't have this, what can you do? You can't do anything, you just don't have the power. So let's remove, oh no, it's here, the screw. I'm forgetting about the screw here. And I would pull and I would damage, yeah, because it's just the one screw. We can test it out. but I don't believe it will change. In my humble opinion, that won't change anything. That means I'll pull it out, okay, and that would have to do the short. So I don't believe that it will change anything. I won't plug in the screen. I'll plug only the power, and I'll hold the power button. Nothing. It didn't even boot up. So the same scenario. Okay, one more time. Now did beep one time. No. So in this case, we know that there is a real fault with this device, okay? Because this light shouldn't go off, but it did. As it did, I won't bother you. Tomorrow will be second episode, okay? Because I've told you today, on this day of the release, there is a second video, and that video is for 1 hour long, and I don't expect anybody to watch that. So I want to compensate you, viewers. Thank you. I've got 86 subscribers, so thank you. Well done, guys. So I'll open it and I'll tell you tomorrow what, you know, in the second episode. Once it will be open, we can see what can cause the short that it's switching off the console, and we will know. Okay, so that's it. That's everything in this video, actually. So how long we've got? 6 and 42. Guys, if possible, let's fix them all. I would give you a like, but I can't give you a like. So if you can give me back. But that's it in this episode. Thank you, and see you in the next video. For those who don't know, read about Intecracy. It's in the description, guys. Bye bye.